Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abiola. So in today's class we will learn how to cut 720-degree flare the easiest way. Yes, it is very easy and simple to cut. But before we proceed, we would like to do some simple mathematics. Please, it's very simple, don't be scared. Simple mathematics. So you need the circumference of wherever you are attaching the flare to. You need that circumference. So as for me, I am attaching it to the waist, and for the waist is 34. So 34, and because it is 720, you will divide your waist into 4. Yes, just follow the calculation, you will understand. Divide the waist into 4, and then whatever you get, so as for me is 8.5. so whatsoever you get, you are going to divide it by 3.14. How do we come about this 3.14? For you to get the circumference of a circle is at 6 point, of a full circle is 6.28. I don't want to do the calculation. This is standard, just cram it. 6.28. So 6.2, that is a full circle. Full circle. But here we are cutting half circle. So half of this, half of 6.28 is a 3.14. Can you see? For half circle. Half circle. So that's why I got this 3.14. So 8.5 divided by 3.14, and we have 2.7. If you approximate this 2.7 to 3 inches, you are going to have some excess in which you either pleat. Yes, you are going to have little pleats, but I'll just stick to this 2.7, and we don't have 2.7 on the tape rule, so I'll just use my 2.75. Yes, I'll just use 2.75. So we are going, this is the radius now. Our radius is 2.75. We also need the length of the peplon, how long you want the flare to be. So for me, the length of the flare is 9 inches. Yes, length of the flare is 9 inches. So for me to now know the fabric I will be folding, to now know the folding is a 9 plus 2.75. Altogether I am having 11.75. Can you see? Just go over the calculation, you understand. So now we are cutting lengths. This is the length of 9, then the radius of 2.75. So I'm going to show us now how to fold. Okay, so I said I was going to show us how to fold. This is your pattern, or you can as well do this directly on your fabric. Yes, you can do it directly on your fabric. So you fold just once, because we are cutting half circle. You fold just once. Can you see? Then you try to remember our calculation was 11.75. so you try to measure what you have. At least I have more than enough, so it's fine like that, because it's paper, I can still waste. But if it is your fabric, please, the maximum you should do is 12 inches. That's if we have the same circumference you are working with. I'm not saying 34 is standard. You have to measure wherever you want to attach the peplon to. So the first thing I want to do now is to do the radius. Remember, the radius, the one I calculated. Please, you have to use your own accurate measurement. Is I did 2.75. 2.75. It was actually 2.7, but because there's no 2.7 on the tape rule, I have to use 2.75. Can you see the way I'm marking the radius? This is the radius, our radius now. Okay guys, so after the radius, the next thing to do is to measure the length. And what we calculated was 9 inches. So you can as well just tint it all around there, or you can start from the tip and measure what you have. That's 11.75, and just measure the 11.75 all round. Just make sure that your tape rule is at this tip. Can you see the tip here? Then you rotate. Can you see the way I'm doing it? It's easy. Just make sure it's here. Then what we want to do now is to connect. What I want to do now is to cut the radius and cut the length. So let me open it up. Can you see that this radius is just too small? I have like 9 here, and 9, and I said 34 was the radius, and I am working with, and we have 9. So what we are going to do, we are going to cut 4 pieces of this one. Yeah, we are going to transfer to fabric, and we have 4 pieces, so that when we join, so 9 times 4 is going to give me 36 rather. So I'm having 2 inches excess to do what? To pleats. I hope you understand that calculation now. So I'm going to transfer to my fabric, and I have 4 pieces of fabric so that I can join. So by so doing, you will see the effects of it. So let me just bring my fabric and transfer. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have transferred to my fabric. I will be using this Ankara combination. Can you see? So what you will do is you are going to cut a corresponding lining for each flap, like the same thing. Cut the lining, then after which you are going to start joining. This is how you will join. This is the right side, and also this other side too is the right side. You are just going to join on half inch. I'm just going to use a pin to join for you for now. Then you repeat the same thing too for this side. This is the right side, and this is the right side. So you will also join on half inch. Let me use my pin to hold it down. So can you see, after joining that one, then after joining this other one too, you have to join it with this one. Okay, can you see? So right side of this one, facing right side of this one, I'm also going to hold it down. You have to join on half inch. Can you see? So after joining, we have this. Can you see how wavy it is? Can you see? Without putting anything to bring out the structure. Can you see? So what you do, so this opening, this will serve for one zipper, the other one will serve for one zipper, and you just join. So what I want to go and do now, and also you can put wording, yes, to add more structure to it, and you can also attach a crinoline at the end to also give it some structure. So don't worry, very soon I will do a tutorial on how to attach crinoline to a peplum. So what I would do now is go and join, then you repeat the same thing too for the lining, exactly what you have done. You repeat the same thing, you join all the 4 pieces of the lining, then you will now use the lining to turn it, then attach to your fabric. So when I am done, I will show us the outcome. Okay guys, so This is the outcome of our 720 flare. Can you see? Can you see how beautiful it is? Okay, so let me just put it on for you to see. This is our lovely 720 flare. Can you see how beautiful it is? Let me turn for you to see the back. Can you see? So beautiful. So thank you so much, guys, for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If my video has been helpful, kindly give me a thumbs up. Bye for now.